So the big misconception about capsules that I had to come up against was that they had to look a certain type of way. Black, white, neutral clothing. I had to look like the Instagrammers, and I didn't look like the Instagrammers. And all of a sudden, I realized that that's great, but that's a type of capsule. And if my capsule doesn't look like that, that's okay. It doesn't make me a capsule fail, because capsules are supposed to be 100% me. So to begin a capsule, I have to start with me and what I do with my everyday life. So I sat down, I thought about my most frequent activity. Working. I work a 9 to 5 days a week, and it's pretty casual. And I looked into my closet and I had just so much clothing and I had nothing I could wear to a casual job. So that's where I began. I went out and I started looking for clothing. Like I needed another pair of jeans. I needed some cardigans that were layerable. I needed shoes that could make my outfits more interchangeable. And slowly, my wardrobe began to take the shape of things that I wear every day. And yeah, I own athletic wear and I own dresses that I love and I wear to weddings once, maybe a year. Your capsule doesn't have to encapsulate every single thing that you own. It's focused on what you do every day. And you know what? If what I do every day changes, then so will my capsule. And that's okay.